Hi everyone, how are you? I hope so all of you are very well. Today we have very important lesson to learn. All of you enjoy this lesson very much. So let's start the learning about the fruits name. All of you like the different fruits. We can call it apple. These are apricots. We can call this apricot. These are banana. These are grapes. They have two different color, green and purple. Maybe some like green. These are oranges. These are pear. These are just like guava fruits. These are watermelon. These are strawberries. These are cherries. These are mangoes. It's a summer fruit. These are pineapples. It's a palm fruit. We can also call it aloo bukhara. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.